the car crosses the first half of the road with a speed of 40 kilometers per hour, while the second half with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed of the car? What is the magnitude of the average velocity? From the questions, we see that we have to find average speed and average velocity, so this example is prepared for comparison of speed and velocity. First of all, to find average speed or velocity, we need to observe whole motion, that is, total distance and displacement in elapsed time. Total distance we will denote by x. It is easier because we have straight line motion. So we will have that the first half of the motion, or first half of the x, car have a speed of 40 kilometers per hour, and the second half of x, car have a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. From this, we can conclude that distances in the first and second half of the motion are the same, but the times of the motions are not. So let's see the calculations. X is full distance, and distances x1 and x2 are equal to x half. Average speed is distance over elapsed time, but elapsed time is equal to t1 plus t2, and t1 is for the first half and t2 is for the second half of the motion. Now we need to find those two times. From the first half of the motion we have v1 equal to x1 over t1, and from here t1 is equal to x1 over v1. But because x1 is x over 2, we finally have t1 is x over 2 v1. Similarly, t2 is x over 2 v2. So go back with this in equation for average speed, and we will have that the average speed is 48 kilometers per hour. At the end, for the average velocity, we have this. Magnitude of the average velocity is the same as average speed. It is because the magnitude of the displacement is the same as distance. It is due to a motion on a straight line and only in one direction.